How's it going, everybody? Trucks and Water here, and today is a gorgeous day out here in East Tennessee. Finally, the rain has subsided so we can actually enjoy the outdoors in East Tennessee. It's actually kind of decently warm out. It's about 50, 60 degrees, which is odd for January, which will probably get like a massive amount of snow now. Anyways, right now we're finishing up one of the mods on the K1500. I've been debating on a lot about this, but finally I'm pulling the trigger. We're gonna finish up this mod. Right, I'll show you where we're going, and you'll probably figure it out since then, but I'm so excited to finish this up. That means one more thing checked off the checklist before Daytona, and then, yeah, I cannot freaking wait. All right, guys, we are back. I think y'all know what's about to happen. Oh, I cannot wait. All right, guys, you know where we're at. So right now, I'm gonna get the rest of my windshield tinted on my truck, as you can see out there. What I'm going with is the 35% right here. That's what I'm gonna go with. It's gonna give me enough like blockage to where you really can't see inside the cab anymore, but not enough to where I can't see out at night, which is my biggest deal. But huge shout out to Smoky Mountain Window Tint, Smoky Mountain Window Tinting. All the information will be down below, guys. Make sure you come to them, tell them that Trucks and Water sent you. It's gonna be awesome, and I cannot wait. Getting the windshield ready. Alright, guys, so we just got the window tint on the front of the glass. They're like measuring up, make sure it looks good and whatnot. So we're about to put it on the back of the glass, and oh, I cannot wait. Alright, we're putting the tint onto the windshield now. I cannot wait to see this. It's gonna be fantastic. Okay, guys, we got the full windshield tint back on it. We're gonna put the 5% brow strip on it, and then later in this video I'm gonna explain what setup I went with and why, so stay tuned for that. Oh my god, guys, I am so digging the window tint. So what I did on the front windshield is 35 across the whole windshield with my 5% brow strip, and it is a night and day difference. I freaking love it. Oh my god, it looks so good. Holy crap. All right, guys, huge shout out to Smoky Mountain Window Tint Accessories, guys. Make sure you follow them on Instagram. Make sure you come to them for all your window tintings. They also do other stuff on vehicles. Huge shout out to them. All the link, description, the addresses, whatever will be down in the description. Or make sure you tell them, sorry, that Trucks and Water sent you. But I am freaking loving the new windshield. It makes the truck look so daggum menacing in the front end now. Oh my gosh, I love it. Me and Hunter are heading back to the house to wash off the trucks and whatnot, and apparently he cannot see in my cab whatsoever now. This 35% tint on the cab. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, I so freaking love it. Oh my goodness, I freaking love it. Coming up on our right from looks like Ontario. Yeah, Ontario, Canada. We got a bad looking aluminum body F-150, some 20x12s. I am enjoying that. That looks awesome. Oh, that flake in that paint. I don't know if y'all can see this in my rear view, but that Ford looks so nice level on 20x12s. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. We're running stagnated, me, the F-150, and then Hunter's 4Runner. Oh, this is so badass. Oh, we're running stagnated. Oh, it's so badass. We got a lifted F-150 coming up. Dang, we're just having a little lifted convoy rolling down the road. Look at us. Boom shakalaka. Got levels somewhere around 20x12s. We are back in Mexico. Oh, it's so good to be back here in Mexico. I miss this place, even though I was literally here Tuesday. This is the male version of a spa date.
Spa date?
Male version of one.
Let me spray my arm.
Okay, sounds good. Time to get the base. Time to make the base look good.
This is dedication, folks, if I've ever seen it. That's not redneck. I don't know what is.
All right, guys, we got the truck cleaned off. I'm gonna wax it tomorrow, let the rest of the water dry off. I kind of blew dried off a little bit, just kind of get most of the water off of it. But oh my gosh, that daggum windshield tint looks so daggum good on this truck. Why did I not do it earlier? I don't know. But you can't even see in the truck anymore with the windshield tint now. The sun's going down. You can't even see in it. That's how crazy this thing is. Like a little bit right in there, but from the front end, yeah, no, you're not seeing in that.